Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through an overview of Ntropy's transaction enrichment solution. The Ntropy API uses natural language processing models to enrich raw financial transaction data, making it easier for product and engineering teams to understand the merchant information tied to a transaction, as well as the meaning of that transaction. This enables them to build great new products and features without having to do the hard job of cleansing and categorizing raw transaction data in-house. So why does this matter? Well, historically, transaction data has been pretty hard to use. That's because of inconsistent merchant names, unclear description memos, and also because transactions can come in many varying formats. If you are global, varying currencies and languages add an additional challenge. In addition, MCC codes for merchant categories don't provide the granular information that product and engineering teams need. So as you can see in this example, we take the raw transaction on the left, which is difficult to understand at a human readable level, and we identify the merchant, their website, the location of the transaction. We also identify whether it's a recurring transaction, which is great for seeing spending patterns and revenue trends. And then we label the transaction to provide context for the meaning of the transaction. For this one, we've also added important chart of accounts information, identifying it as an operating expense. We are source agnostic. It doesn't matter where the transaction data comes from, whether it's an aggregator like Plaid or Finicity or the Rails directly. If the transaction is in a digital format, we can enrich it. So let's dive into a few use cases. We see three primary areas where our enriched transaction data is used: accessing capital, saving money, and earning money. First, there's been significant growth in both consumer and business lending platforms that are built to make the loan application and granting process automated and seamless. With enriched transaction data, particularly as it informs revenues and cash flows, lenders can quickly capture the information needed to decide on and underwrite loans faster and easier. We identify information such as recurring revenue and expenses, income, sales, returns, cost of goods sold, debits, credits, operating expenses, inventory, equipment, investments, and more. Since we enrich so quickly, lenders can offer terms to applicants in near real time. Similarly, with the increase in buy now, pay later options, we can quickly identify the right chart of accounts information to allow any business to lend on their own platform. So how can we either help you save money or assist you with helping your customers save money? Well, because our API accurately labels transactions, we're perfectly suited for helping you automate expense management and accounting, saving you time and money from having employees manually adjust and track expenses. The same concept applies to your clients, enabling them to see their own spending and revenue trends over time. Finally, accurate transaction data can speed up the real-time payments process with an increase in the confidence of someone's ability to pay and reducing the chance of fraud, or as we like to say, helping you get paid. Companies that are trying to cleanse and categorize transaction data in-house know that it is not only expensive to maintain, but also resource intensive and time consuming. It also typically has a low return on attempting to increase accuracy. Transaction enrichment is all that we do, and we're really good at it. We can free up your engineering resources and allow them to focus on the products and features that are a top priority for your business. So what are we seeing from other solutions on the market? Well, many are focusing only on consumer transactions, which frankly are easier to enrich. We specialize in identifying both consumer and business transactions, as well as freelance transactions, which are becoming more common with the growth of gig work. We're particularly good at the analysis of long-tail transactions, which some vendors ignore because of its difficulty. So why use Ntropy? Well, we have the highest enrichment accuracy right out of the box. We're also global. We cover 8 languages and we'll be adding more, allowing international companies to have one solution for nearly every market. Our API is real time, and we can enrich a single transaction in under 100 milliseconds in larger batches within minutes. We're also flexible to our clients' needs and use cases with the use of our custom models, which we'll go over next. So as mentioned, we return the normalized merchant information, including their name, logo, URL, location, and we also provide a transaction category label, as well as recurrence. Our current label hierarchy has over 200 labels, and we continually add more as we learn from new data sets. However, with the use of our custom labels, you're not limited to our labeling hierarchy. You can add or create your own labels. An example that I like to use is an employee buying lunch with their corporate credit card. One company may want that categorized as a lunch expense, while another may want it labeled as a customer acquisition cost. Our custom labels solve these issues by allowing you to take advantage of the power of our core model and the flexibility to create your own label hierarchies tailored to unique data sets. Our API is very simple to set up. Please visit our website or these links below for information on how you can easily benchmark and get started today. Thank you for your time and have a great day. If you'd like to schedule a demo or a call, please visit our website or feel free to email me directly at kevin@ntropy.com. Thanks.